Well, hey guys, this is Drew with CoolPersonalizedGifts.com, where our goal is to give you all the tools you need to make something really special for yourself or someone you love. I'm sure you've seen those t-shirts that say eat, sleep, fill in the blank, repeat. Well, today let's make a version of those t-shirts. We have a template set up already. We'll go to for men. We'll come down to shirts and tanks. And you'll see quite a few templates that we have set up here. I'm going to come here to daily icon t-shirt. So right now this t-shirt is on a next level 100% cotton tee. Product ships in 4 to 5 business days. And I'm just going to click personalize it. And that's going to take us right into our design editor. Now from here we can continue with the next level t-shirt, or we can come here to go change product. And we have a few other t-shirts in different price ranges. We have the Bella Canvas t-shirt, and we have the Gildan Soft Style t-shirt. So for now, let's stick with the next level tee. Now, if we wanted to keep the black t-shirt and change the color of these icons, we just click the icon and we go here. And let's say we want to change it to white, we could change it there. Okay, let's say I wanted to change the color of the text. I can just click on the text, and the text change color is on this side. And I can just change the color of the text there. So let's go ahead and change all those. I'll just go ahead and do this quickly. Okay. So now we have white icons on a black t-shirt. The template is set up for those people who are coders who spend all their day coding. Let's say you have a different hobby or occupation. So I'm going to come to clip art. And you'll see a lot of other icons here. They're in the featured spot right now, but if they were not in the featured spot, you just come to printing. Come down to signs. And you find those icons right there. So let's say you're someone who does a lot of weightlifting. So we'll go ahead and change the color of that one to white. And I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so that we can size it properly. Okay. And we'll slide this guy out of the way. And we'll put this one in place. We'll just delete that. And we'll come here and change the text on this one. Let's say lift, eat, sleep, lift, repeat. Go back to here and we'll change the size there. And from here you would just add to cart. We can go to checkout. Now in the checkout area, we can click here to view our proof. Make sure it looks like we want it to look. Check the spelling, check for any errors. We can check our size, check the color of the item. If there are any changes that you want to make, just click Edit Design and go back into the editor. You can apply any coupons that you might have. Right now we do have 20% off store-wide for all new customers. And secure checkout via PayPal. So that's it for today, guys. A really simple way to personalize a t-shirt and highlight those hobbies and occupations that really make up who we are. Please visit coolpersonalizedgifts.com, where we find cool gifts and you make them special. Thanks and have an awesome day.